Big data play a key role in the IT industry. The big data comprises of three types of data: structured, unstructured, and semi-structured. Among three of them, the unstructured data are available in a large amount, so it is very difficult to store and handle the unstructured data. To resolve this problem, the big data provide us Apache Hadoop. So with the help of Apache Hadoop, we can easily handle the unstructured data. Now, the next thing, how we shift the data, the unstructured data to the HDFS. We need some reliable, manageable, and scalable medium to shift the unstructured or large data to the HDFS. To resolve this problem, again, the big data provide us Apache Flume. With the help of Apache Flume, we can easily done this job. Hello, my name is Syed Muhammad Ali. This video is about to download Apache Flume and Twitter API in Apache Flume. As you can see, this is the architecture of Apache Flume. These are the main components of Apache Flume: source, channel, and sink. As you can see, the web server are basically the main hub of the unstructured or large amount of data. It comprises basically of you can say the social media. So the Twitter is among the famous data source for streaming, as well as other Facebook, Instagram, and so on. So the first component of Apache Flume is source. The main working of the source is to collect the incoming streamline and store it, and store that data in channel. So the second component of Apache Flume is channel. The main purpose, there is a problem in channel, and that is the reading speed is faster than the writing speed. So to solve this problem, we need a buffer to match the reading and writing speed. So the what buffer so actually what buffer do is to store the data temporarily in it, so that the data loss is prevent. Similarly, buffer the channel also store the data temporarily and send that data to the sink. The last component of Apache Flume is sink. It basically collect the data from the channel and then write the data to the HDFS permanently. Together, the three components are called agent of Apache Flume. Next, we moving toward how to download Apache Flume. There is a link in Chrome. As you can see, this is the link, apache.org download. So this is the mirror link. When you click on it, the downloading of Apache Flume is started. As I already downloaded the Apache Flume, this is the zip. You get the zip version of Apache Flume. So we have to extract it. I already extracted the zip folder of Apache Flume. So we have to copy it and paste it into the local disk C. So as you can see, this is the Apache Flume 1.10.0 bin. So when we open it, there is a file of configuration, CONF. So when we open it, you can see the extension, those files whose extensions are template: properties.template, ps1.template, sh.template. So we have to open the sh file. So the sh file is open. There I already configured this sh file. So what we have to do is to paste the path paste the path of this path. It is basically because the Java is already installed in my PC, so I just have to paste the path, which is C and then Java and then JDK version. So, and the next changing is what we have to do is to copy the path of Apache Flume in lib. So it is here. This is our C drive. this is our Apache Flume version 1.10.0. When we open it, there is a lib folder when we open it. So we have to copy this path and paste it here So that's all done with the configuration of the file of. So we just close it. So the next step is we have to make the environment variables. So we moving toward the start search. Here we write environment and click on it. Now we click on the environment variables. There I already make the two environment variables. First one is class path and the second one is Flume home. In the Flume home, we just have to paste the path C Apache Flume and its version this, and then in class path we have to paste the path of the lib folder. This is the same path that we just configure in the configuration file of the Apache Flume. So after that we have to go to the path, and there we have to make a new path of Apache Flume, but here we add the in the last we add bin. So that's it for it. So and then we click okay and then okay. So our Apache Flume is successfully downloaded. The next step is to get the Twitter API. So I already get the Twitter API. So I have a Twitter developer account. Now, as you can see, I create a project named Data Analysis. So as and fill name project details. Name is data analysis, use case student, description transfer data using Apache Flume, Twitter API, and then what we have to do, and then the main thing is coming, which is we have to create app details. There I choose the name Twitter data streaming underscore ed is to make the name unique. That's it, and it is automatically filled in it. So that's it for it. And when we click on the keys and tokens, yeah, when we click on the keys and tokens, there we find the most important uh, thing. So when you guys click on keys and tokens, so you have to note the API key and the secret key, because it will use you because you have to use those keys in Twitter API processing. And then also we have to save the access token and its secret key. So I already saved those keys in it. So these are my keys. So you guys just have to store those keys here in a separate folder. So after that we are moving toward the. So yeah, that's it for it. So now we open the command prompt for the final configuration for the tweets to download. So we write command prompt here and open it. So yeah, um, before doing the command prompt test, we just have to do is to make a Twitter configuration file. So we open and we go to the local disk C. There we find Apache local disk C. There we find Apache Flume. Our version is 1.10.0.0 -bin. there I made a configuration. On the configuration folder, I made a configuration extension file named Twitter. When you open it, so we have to open this file in Notepad. So the file is open in the Notepad. So those keys that I told you to store on a separate file, because we need to paste those keys here. As you can see, the Twitter source. So yeah, these are the keys. Consumer key. This is our consumer key that we store, that we get from the developer account. And this is our customer secret key, consumer secret key, and then access token key, and then in the last we have access token secret key. So these four keys are important to download the tweets or to store the tweets. So yeah, that's it for the Twitter configuration file. Now we do the command prompt. So close all the files, open the command prompt. Here we have to write the hdfs name node hyphen format. We must have to write it because it is the format, so we must have to follow it. So we write hdfs name node hyphen format. So when we press enter, it takes some time. We have to wait for a while. Yeah, it works now. So in the next step, scroll down. So yeah, now here we have to traverse the Hadoop. So open the Hadoop, we first have to traverse it. So we write cd, and then we open the Hadoop and write its version. My version is 3. My version of Hadoop is 3.2.3, and then I just press enter button. So and then I write sd bin cd bin, and then start.yarn. When we execute this command, the daemons of yarn are pop up on the screen. So the daemons of yarn are executing, as you can see. Oh yeah, the start spelling is wrong, so we write again start start yarn yarn. So yeah, the starting yarn daemons. So the two daemons of yarn start executing, and the next command we write is to start dfs. Minimize those, and here we write start dfs hyphen dfs, start hyphen dfs, and then press enter button. There we go, another two daemons are start getting executing. So I just write the because the other two commands are so lengthy, so I just have to copy those lengthy commands from the file, text file, and simply just paste it on the command prompt here. So as you can see, the command is PowerShell.exe hyphen no profile hyphen input format none, and then it starts getting executing. So this is the command, and here there is another lengthy command. We again have to copy it from the Word file and paste it here. So yeah, our task is completed. As you can see, the Twitter tweets are getting downloaded. So this command prompt take a time for downloading the tweets completely. So yeah, that's it for today. So this is our video about downloading the Apache Flume and Twitter API in Apache Flume. Thank you.